Hello my arty friends, today we are going to be painting a galaxy. I thought that'd be something a little bit different and really easy to do. So I've got my cold press watercolor paper all taped down. I've grabbed a largest round brush and I've got my Kuretake paints, and the colour I'm using here is turquoise green deep. Just making these sweeping shapes on the page. I've now grabbed an ultramarine blue and adding that next to that turquoise there, and just doing it while the paint is still wet so the paint can merge into one another. Now I've got the Prussian blue colour, and again just sweeping that colour around, being really generous with the paint and getting lashings of that colour onto the page. Then we're going to move on to a cerulean blue, adding into that negative space there just to fill up that area there. So once the paint is all onto your page and while it's still wet, then I've grabbed a black paint and I'm just swirling that over the top. And what you'll see is that the paint will merge into the lower layers. So just offering a lovely merged in kind of look, adding some more of those blues into the negative space that is left. So we have let that dry and I've grabbed a Kuretake gold and I want to make over the top. So just swirling around by that black mark, adding this lovely gold luscious colour. Reason that I've let the paint dry underneath is that the gold wouldn't be as prominent if the paint was still wet underneath. So I wanted a really bold gold statement. So I've got these Pembroke, these are acrylic paints, and they're sort of pearlized, all of these paints. So they're brand new and I thought they'd be really nice to try. So I'm just getting a little tub there, putting the paint in, and I've got these nail technician little dabbers here, and I thought it'd be fun to add the paint using these. So if you haven't got these kind of tools or implements, you could just use a very fine paintbrush. So just dabbing the paint on, and I'm just putting these little planets or stars or whatever you want to call them onto the page, and you can see here how that paint is going on, dabbing it on until I get the required amount onto that page. Really fun to do, really easy, and you're just following the paint marks that you've already put down. So simple. And then I wanted a little cluster of stars just in that corner there, and then I'm going to add some just into the center there. So whatever comes to your mind, just add it wherever you want and don't worry about it. So I've got a gold pen here. This is a Uniball pen, and I just thought it'd be nice to add some lines onto there. And I've picked up my black Posca pen, adding some dots into that gold. Again, it just adds a little bit to your painting. And then I've got the white Posca pen and I'm adding that to that gold there. Just continuing round and adding them wherever I feel would be best. And some smaller little dots just on that blue there. And then I decided it'd be nice to add some little lines. So I'm loosely holding that Posca pen and dragging that pen round. It just gives that illusion of it going round and round in a circle, the whole galaxy, sort of a bit of movement to it. So just adding some more here and there wherever I think is appropriate. You might want to use a different colour, you might not want to use white, you might want to use blue or golds or a black colour. And then I've grabbed some of that gold paint again, and I'm just adding some big planets onto the page, just putting them on wherever I feel would look good. So I think I've got 5 of them there, And then I've grabbed my Uniball pens and I'm outlining some of the circles that I've put down onto the page. So you can see here, just enhances what we've already put down. So sometimes you can put a paint down and you just think to yourself, oh, I can't really see that. If you grab a white, then it just makes it a little bit more pronounced. So I hope you like this. If you like this, maybe you'll like, maybe you'll subscribe, and hopefully you'll hype this. And there is a members page and there's a join button below. You can have a look in there and you can see that there are members only videos and members first videos if you sign up to be a super supporter. And also if you just want to support the channel, there is a supporter level. So have a look if you get time and you just click into that button and you can come out and you haven't, subscribe to anything. Okay, so just continuing, adding some stars onto the page here and there, and just whisking that pen on to there, and then adding some little round circles here again. Outlining some of the marks with the gold Uniball pen, and just going with the flow really. I'm just enjoying myself, just looking at the page and just thinking, what else can I add? So I've grabbed the silver Uniball and outlining some of those black marks. It's lovely when you've got a metallic and you frame a picture and you see it from different angles, and with the metallics it shines once the light catches it. It's really, really pretty. Outlining the planets now with those metallic pens, and that just makes them bounce forward a little bit. Gives them a little bit more depth and a little bit more interest. So I'm just flicking along with that pen there, and then I've decided to grab a gold pen. This is a felt tip pen, and to outline the outer edges by pressing against the tape. Then I've heated up all the tape and I'm just pulling that tape off. And when I looked at it, I thought it looked a little bit bland, so I decided that I was going to do a border on this. So with the gold felt tip pen, I'm just adding some lines onto the page just to enhance it, because sometimes I think the white looks a bit harsh against your painting. Sometimes it looks really good and it sort of frames it, and then other times I think, oh no, I like to have a little bit of a border and it just jazzes it up a little bit. So you can see the finished product here, and it's been really interesting to do. Really enjoyed doing this one, and I hope you do too. Let me know in the comments how you get on. Would love to hear. Okay, well, thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.